Hello guys and welcome back to my channel and I am Sanya Moiti. So today we are discuss on the topic Neo4j. What is Neo4j? What is features of Neo4j? What are the advantages, disadvantages and use cases of the Neo4j? So let's start our topic. So first one is what is Neo4j? Neo4j is a graph database store data as nodes linked by the relationship. Means instead of storing all the data in the form of rows and columns, they store all the data in the form of nodes and relationships. Then it is a open source. Open source means we can it is freely available on online websites and we can easily download from the online website and use easily. And if we have some extra features of Neo4j, then we have to pay some then we have to pay for the extra features and it is a costly. Then it is a teach stack, means built with the Java and Scala technologies. Means Neo4j is built using Java and Scala, which are popular programming languages. Then query language it uses a special language called a cipher, which is bit like a SQL but designed specially for working with the graph data. It is easy to read and write. So the next core features. There are some building blocks that make Neo4j powerful, and these are the node, relationship, property, and cipher language. So first one is a node, represent real world entity like a place, people, pen, bottle, etc. All the real world entities nothing but a nodes. And relationship, connect a node and define their relationship. Means suppose there are two person and the relationship between that person is a friendship, so they describe the relationship between the two person. Then properties, to store key value data on node and relationships. Means suppose there is a person and their age is a 25, age and 25 means there is a key and value, so data is stored in the form of key and values on the nodes. And the language is a cipher is used to write a query on databases. It make it easy to find patterns and connections in the data. So these are the some core features of Neo4j. Then some advantages of Neo4j is in that first one is a flexible model that easy to adapt to change the data relationships. Means Neo4j can easily handle changing data and relationships. For example, if you suddenly need to add new nodes in graph, then we can add easily the nodes in graph without affecting the other nodes and delete also easily without the affecting the other nodes. The next advantage is the higher performance. Mm, it is very fast, especially for data that's highly connected. In some cases, it can be up to 1,000 times faster than the traditional databases, like a SQL database. And third one is a visual insights. Means Neo4j helps to visualizing data. You can actually see how data points are connected, which help you understand the complex data easily. And fourth one is a scalability. In scalability, it handles large database and complex queries efficiently. Means it can handle large amount of data and run complex searches without showing down. This is a great for big applications with lot of user connections. So these are the some advantages of Neo4j graph database. So there are some also disadvantages of graph database and some challenges and limitations for the graph database. So first one is a maturity. Less mature compared to traditional relation databases. Means Neo4j is a newer than the traditional database like a MySQL. So it might not have many features or long-term stability in some areas. The next disadvantage is the learning curve. In that, we need to learn a new query language called Cipher. It is easy once you get used to it, but takes some time to learn for the Cipher language. Then third disadvantage is the analytic limitations. Not ideal for complex analytics like data warehouses. Means Neo4j is not ideal for deep analytics or reporting like what's done in big data warehouses. It is better for relationship based searches. Then fourth one is the cost. It is it is the if high cost for the some features. If we free version, then we can easily write our query, but we have some extra features, then we have to pay for that, and it is very expensive. Then last disadvantage is the community size. Is a smaller user and support a community than SQL databases. Means Neo4j has a smaller user and support a community compared to big SQL databases, which means it might be harder to find help or examples of online. So these are the some disadvantages of Neo4j graph database. Then some use cases on the social networking sites, like networking app like Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. etc. So first one is the user connections, model friend followers and interaction naturally. So Neo4j can means Neo4j can easily model friendship, like who is friend with whom and who follows whom and who people interact or how people interact. These all the connections. And second one is the recommendation, means suggest new connections using relationship patterns. It can suggest new friends or connections by analyzing the pattern relationships. Means we like you may know this person like that. Then third one is a fraud detection. Identify suspicious activity via graph analysis. In that, by studying how people are connected, Neo4j can support suspicious activities like fake accounts and unusual behaviors. And the example is LinkedIn uses Neo4j for its people you may know feature. It analyzes your connection and suggests other who you might know. So these are the some use cases for social networking, and there are some use cases for knowledge graph. In that first one is the centralized repository. So in that Neo4j help bring together all kind of data into one place like a central brain. This makes it easier to find and use information. Then second one is a semantic search. Neo4j supports smart search, not just by matching words, but by understanding the meaning and context behind them. This improves how search results are shown. Then third one is the AI and ML, means artificial intelligence and machine learning. Neo4j gives structure to the data, make it more powerful for training AI and ML model. Structures connected data helps machine learn better. An example is a NASA uses Neo4j to handle analyze large amount of information, helping them make better decisions based on data. So these are the some use cases based on graph. Then there are some company which uses Neo4j graph database. In that IBM, Microsoft, HP, AB. There are these Cisco and all remaining companies are uses Neo4j database. Then we, what we cover, so a powerful tool in that Neo4j is the best when working with the data that has lots of connections and relationship like a social networks or recommendation system. In key strength, it offer flexibility is very fast and make it easy to see how data linked through its graph model. And last is the consideration. Neo4j is a great when relationships are important but not the best for complex number crunches or advanced analytics like in data warehouses. So in that we cover all the points of like what is Neo4j, what are its some core features and advantage, disadvantage, and some use cases of Neo4j. So I hope you all are understand what is Neo4j graph database. So thank you.